8, 9, 10. Woo. Woo.
One bad bitch, and she do what I say so. 2 big 40s and a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go.
Understanding guys, part 8. Guys, if I say anything wrong, please comment down below and let me know. If he introduces you to his family, you're special. Don't fuck it up. Guys get jealous. Everyone does. But us ladies should not be mad at him for being jealous. To be honest, it's a subtle way for them to say, hey, I need some reassurance. Give that to them. Don't be mad at them. Jealousy also correlates to the fact that they care. Ladies, guys like to cuddle. When us females get excited about something, or we talk passionately about something we love, don't be worried about the guys being annoyed. Chances are they think it's actually really adorable. I don't care if it's true. This goes both ways. Ladies, do not tell him that his best friend is cute. Just one of those things that you just don't say. Saturdays are for the boys. Respect his time with the boys, and the boys will respect his time with you. And lastly, guys are competitive. So if you, a female, beats him in a game or whatever, don't rub it in. It'll annoy them.
क्या हुआ?
Yo, me just put on 2 cups of water for go and boil. So me I put the rice. You sure say cup and toast, man?
I wanna love you so hard and let you have multiple orgasms. I wanna see you squirt.